You want me to talk on saying this? What do you want me to do?
It's called acting drag.
The teams.
Love to the gift.
Have you ever purchased anything at bigjeffaudio.com? No? Then what the heck are you waiting for? Go ahead, go to www.bigjeffaudio.com and buy something. But what happens after you push that buy button? Come with me, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna show you now what actually happens when you purchase at Big Jeff Audio. I'm walking through the warehouse, finding the man in charge of the warehouse so he can tell us what happens, how is it done, and what we are gonna see. So let me switch the camera. Okay, so we're here with John from the warehouse. Okay, John, what happens after somebody buys something at Big Jeff Audio?
So we got an order here in ShipStation for Taylor.
Yeah.
We're gonna come over here, allocate the order so we know where it's at in the warehouse, tag it for outside, print our packing slip.
Oh, the clipboard.
Now take our order.
You want me to talk on saying this? What do you want me to do?
It's the only thing they really need to get. They really need like the getting verified.
It's called acting drag.
The teams.
Love to the gift.
Hey, verify. GD Audio 1506D2.
Two.
Two of them.
Correct.
SYN 1.5K.
Yes.
Synergy Audio. Okay. And DD GR06 4-bar grill. Two of them.
Verify.
Nice.
And once they're done shipping and putting all the goodies inside, they will put it in one of these bins right here, depending on what service you want. USPS, FedEx, UPS, and of course, I got my friend Pinky here. if you buy online and you have it shipped, you will have one of those carriers. But if you want to pick it up in store, you can have that option too. So let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so you purchased your item online and you decided that you are gonna come and pick it up. What do you need to do? Let me show you. So you're gonna get to the Big Jeff Audio store, our warehouse, main warehouse, and you're gonna park in one of our pickup spaces. You see, we have 3 pickup spaces that you can pick and choose which one are you gonna be, whatever is available. And you're just gonna call 737-244-5333 and press 4 for pickup. And then you will let us know your make, model, color of your car, and the spot you are. Please, please always have your ID ready. Now that you're here, one of our warehouse employees, or maybe some CSR or something, somebody is gonna walk outside and bring you your stuff. All you have to do is open your window, pick it up, and enjoy. That's it.